In Valorant, your level defines your experience. Hiding it can keep opponents guessing. First, focus on your profile settings. Change visibility to keep others unaware. Next, team communication is key. Coordinate with your squad to ensure they follow suit. Avoid public lobbies for a more controlled experience. Play with friends to maintain anonymity. Lastly, adjust your in-game name. Create a less recognizable gamer tag. Incorporating these tips maintains your edge in Valorant. Stay unpredictable. Execute your plans during matches. Stay aware of your surroundings and map. Use the environment. Hide strategically behind walls and corners. Be unpredictable in movements. Jump, crouch, and strafe to throw off opponents. Stay connected with your team through voice chat to share crucial intel. Finally, reflect on each match. Learn from mistakes and fine-tune your strategies. And remember, practice makes perfect. Stay persistent on the path to mastery.